British warship between us and Newport. We can't go around her, even in this fog. And if we're seen, we're sunk.
Just let me get close to her. I'll do the rest from there.
It's a madman's plan to take on that ship alone.
No matter than our plan to kidnap General Prescott.
Quiet, the both of you. Connor, if you're going to do this, you'll need to foul the ship's rudder and put out the signal lamp. That way they can't get help.
I understand.
Then Godspeed. And good luck.
I'm here. Okay.
They are keeping an eye out.
Alright, let's do this. How am I gonna do this? I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. There's a lot of... Fuck. Bro, how am I gonna take all of them out, bro? How the Bro, there's no way.
Don't know what we're expected to see in all this.
Never mind the fog. Just keep an eye and an ear out for anything moving on the water.
A man would have to be insane to set sail on a night like this.
Then keep a watch for lunatics as well. Dismissed!
That's the captain. Oh, shit. He's gotta be the captain. So I just kill him, right? Fuck it. Easy. Hey there.
Ah!
Oh shit. Do I just climb? Oh. Fuck, I hope that guy don't see me, bro. Hurry up. Before he turns around. Fuck. Okay, I could hide here. Alright. Maybe that's the captain. Fuck, I killed the wrong dude. Alright, don't matter. I'm gonna kill all of them. Okay. Get a quick arrow shot here. Right? Whoa. Okay. It's not too bad. By the way, I wasn't scared, right? I was lying. Okay. You see, turn this shit off. Oh shit. Oh, we're back. Bro, is my shit broken? Oh, the fuck, I just grabbed that. I should have read that. Signal lamp, blah, blah, blah. Alright, okay. Bros, why is my shit not working, bro? Anyway.
That will stop them signaling for aid.
Now, for the fun part. Bro, how am I supposed to assassinate this dude?
There. It's done.
I'm the captain now. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna go get my knife back. Oh, shit. That was a bad idea. Where's my knife? Where'd I kill these dudes? In here? Don't tell me I lost my throwing knife, bro. This dude too. What the fuck? He was here, right? Am I tripping? Fuck it. I'm wasting time. Let's check out down here. Oh. Fuck, more dudes. Do I have to kill them all? Or like, am I done? Because I killed the captain. I turned off that signal. Can I just leave? Ooh. Life on board. Alright, cool. History lesson. Alright, let's just get the fuck out of here. What is this? Alright. I'm good. Did I just go back to my boat? Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh shit. No, I gotta kill them all. Alright. Alright. This shit is glitch, bro. There it is. There it is. Alright. Alright. This is my controller. Now we're in business. Now we're in business. This way, right? Why'd I jump down like an idiot, bro? What's making that noise, bro? You alright? One guy up there, right? Alright, fuck, quite a bit, like 5 guys. Not bad, not bad. Kill this guy first. Lots of climbing in this game, huh? Tired already. Maybe if I play this more, I wouldn't be as fat, huh? This is a good workout. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Whoops. We'll just wait for him to move. Oh shit. Oh, oh bro, oh my god. Oh. No fucking way, bro. No fucking way.
What's going on?
Oh shit. Did I really drop my fucking tomahawk? Oh, okay. Oh my god, bro.
What's this?
What?
Oh, bro. Why can't I fucking climb up there?
That was a waste of time.
This pisses me off. Great, now he comes this way, bro. I think I went the wrong way. Me just trying to grab this. Yeah. All right. Okay. We're good now. We're good. All right. Now that guy's next. Hey, assassin. Oh, right in the face. Right in your face. Who's next? Who's next? Okay. Guess there's two guys down there. Why am I still moving? Fuck. Okay, let's stick drift. Two guys. Oh fuck, I fucked up. So fuck. Right in your face. Wait, did somebody see me? Oh, there. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit, let's climb. Let's fucking
Found
climb, bro.
anything interesting?
Oh shit.
Nothing to find.
I can't find anything.
Oh fuck.
I didn't find
here.
it.
The hell with this. I didn't find anything.
Okay.
Lost them.
Four more guys. I'm gonna pick off two and then take two of them head on. His homie didn't even notice, bro. Alright, cool. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Bro, am I stuck here? Let's check for supplies. Well, the captain's quarters. Oh, what's this? Yeah, alright, I'm good now. Let's see. Let's see, lockpick this shit. Oh, I'll take that. Alright. Okay. Hey, oh, I'm the captain. Oh, yeah. Alright. Good escape route. Dude, I could have taken that up there instead of climbing. Okay. Whatever.
Now, where would the rope that controls the rudder be?
Oh, I gotta take the fucking ship? Nice! Oh shit, he's walking fast, bro. Where's this guy facing? That guy's in a hurry, bro. Oh shit. In a hurry to die. Hey, bro. Right in the kidneys.
Nothing going on here.
Oh, fuck. Where's the rudder line? Oh, that's it right there. That's it.
I wish them luck trying to steer without a working rudder.
Alright, it's full. What the?
This vessel is time to return to shore.
Alright, cool. That wasn't as challenging as I thought it was gonna be. I was a little scared. Thought it was gonna be crazy, bro. Wow! Totally missed the boat. Alright, let's get back.